I am Dr. Gagandeep Kaur, and I welcome you all to Dentrans 3-in-1 Virtual Summit as well as Dentrans Reality Awards. So it gives me immense pleasure that it gives me immense pleasure and to invite everybody around here to this virtual and our prestigious event. So moving ahead with the event, we are having our chief guest, Dr. Thirupama, and he is the member of parliament, and he's one of the prestigious person here with us. So I welcome, can I have the chief guest? I welcome Dr. Thirupama. I welcome you, sir.
Oh, thank you for what is going on, please.
Sir, we have our chief guest with us. He is a member of parliament, currently serving Tamil Nadu, from Tamil Nadu constituency. So I am just briefing him. We are past 3 days. We are submitting the papers, research papers, and we have our keynote lectures in the disciplines, emerging disciplines like forensic odontology, facial aesthetic cosmetology, and oral implantology, wherein traditional councils not able to give the research areas, we are doing it. So today we are going to have the grand finale. We will be going with award function. So it is our privilege to award our chief guest also. So after that, we will go with the membership, fellowship to our members, honorary members. And after that, we will have our cultural night, as like usually in the conferences, what we have in the offline, we are going to have.
Okay, doctor. Just now you unmuted.
Yes, okay. So since sir has introduced the chief guest and he is one of the prestigious persons here around, so we'll quickly move ahead into the award ceremony. So it's one of the prestigious moments for every dentist who has worked really hard in their life and are being felicitated today. So kindly allow me to share all the awards, and we'll be moving ahead with the award ceremony. I request all the participants to kindly switch off their mics. Is the presentation visible to all? So is the presentation visible?
Yes, visible.
Okay. So it gives me immense pleasure to enter into the award ceremony with you all who have worked really hard to get this felicitation, as well as your hard work has proved today. So we'll be entering into the award ceremony in a minute. And before moving on to felicitate others, first we'll be having a great award. For our chief guest. He's a member of parliament and he's been awarded with Lifetime Achievement Award. So let's have a big round of applause for the chief guest having the Lifetime Achievement Award. So can I have member of parliament? So can I have a few words from you? Sir, am I audible?
Sir, let me put my views before you start, sir, with your permission.
Yes, sir. Kindly go ahead.
Sir, day by day crime rates are increasing, and the forensic medicine people, they are stopping at the postmortem room or autopsy room, and there is many stages in investigation of the crime, like crime scene management, investigation, then postmortem, autopsy, hospital section, then there is a laboratory section like forensic lab. Again, there is a courtroom section. There the judges are going to review and the testimonies are getting recorded. So my question is, these dental people are nowhere involved because they are only doing clinical practice and their dental knowledge is not utilized for the justice delivery. So the department called forensic odontology is newly emerging discipline and it should be incorporated in every autopsy report so that more and more of the crimes, like if you see in Mumbai, Sushant Singh Rajput murder case, there also only the police people are preliminarily declaring whether it is suicide or murder. And secondly, like ICMR, dental, there is no research. And people are only thinking dentist means they remove the tooth, cleaning the tooth, filling the tooth. So they should be coming into the mainstream medical field. They should be involved in the justice delivery so that the crime-free society can be built and you are a professional criminologist turned politician and social reformist. So you have to take this matter to the government of India. You have to talk about this field in the parliament so that the dental community will be indebted. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, sir. Can we have few words from the guest?
Okay. Dear doctors, I'm very happy to have this opportunity to share my views in this virtual conference, particularly in this award ceremony. I wish all the doctors awards today. Before that, I would like to express my sincere thanks to you all for giving me this award, Lifetime Achievement Award. Being a member of Parliament, I'm doing my level best for this issue. Recently, Mr. Venkatesh, Dr. Venkatesh, met me in Delhi in my room. He explained everything about forensic odontology. And another one guy, who is my close friend, he also explained detailedly about the importance of forensic odontology. I am also aware of it because I was working in forensic sciences department for 11 years in Tamil Nadu forensic department. So I know very well about the importance of the forensic experts, particularly about the odontology is very important and emerging discipline in this field. Last session, after met Dr. Venkatesh, I spoke about this forensic odontology in the parliament. So that I am very eager to participate in this virtual conference with you all. So definitely, before me, a doctor requested me to take up this issue in the public domain and in the parliament. Certainly, I will assure you all that I will bring this issue to the notice of the union government, because this forensic odontology is very, very important to identify the culprits or any other evidence. So I am fully convinced with you all. I am fully convinced with your demands. So I assure you again and again that I will bring this issue to the notice of the union government. We'll have touch in future regarding this issue. Whenever possible, I will get all the details to bring out these issues in public and to the government. Once again, I express my sincere thanks to you all for giving me this Lifetime Achievement Award. I will be with you all. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for having your kind words to us. It has been quite enlightening for everyone. And all the participants and all the viewers present here, I would like to mention that sir has been serving our community since long, and he's really doing a pious job right now. So really hats off to you, sir, for your service towards our nation. And definitely a big round of applause to you also.
Thank you.
Since it's a virtual one, since it's a virtual conference, we can't have all the participants and the round of applauses also. But yes, we are here to have a cheer for you. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
So,
Thank you.
yes, sir. And felicitations of all these awards in the presence of yours will be really, really appreciable for everyone. So thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir, for your presence.